Okay, today we're gonna make a pecan pie. The first thing you need to do is take a stick of butter. You're gonna melt this in a saucepan. Do not let it brown, just melt it. And get your oven preheated to 350. Get a unbaked pie shell and get that set up. This is a 9-inch. And just go around your edges, poke it all in. And I take a fork and I press it down. So you get a nice crust. And then I cut off the excess. Like that. There's not usually a lot. Okay. Set that aside. Okay, my butter's almost melted. Swirl it around, get it going. Then you're gonna take it off the heat. You're gonna add a cup of white sugar. And you're gonna add it in. Then you're gonna take a cup of Caro syrup. And add that in. And mix it up till all the sugar is melted. you get it all mixed up, put it on your burner again and heat it up. My bird. That's enough, Bargy. You're going to get 3 eggs out. And keep stirring till the sugar melts down. Just want it dissolved a little and get in there. Just keep stirring it. And then you're going to take your 3 eggs, put them in a bowl, and just mix them up just a little. And just keep watching your syrup mixture. This is for my False Craft friends and members. Up. So now you're gonna take this off the burner, let it cool, because you don't want to put your egg in or you'll be having scrambled eggs. You need to let this cool down some. So see, it's scramble your eggs, and then you're gonna need a cup of chopped pecans. I do a really coarse chop. So just get your eggs ready. And I'm gonna chop my pecans and I'll be back. Okay, I let it cool for about 5 to 7 minutes. Then you're gonna pour in your egg, little at a time. And stir it up. then you're gonna get a teaspoon of vanilla extract and put it in. Stir it up, and then you're going to get your cup of pecans, chopped pecans, and you're going to pour that into this mixture. And mine are pretty coarse. Oop, there. Okay, mix all that together. Okay, let me get my spatula. Okay, then you're gonna pour it into your pie shell. I cheat a little and I put some whole pecans on the top. And just take your spoon and kind of plop them down in. Okay, then you can put this in an oven at 350 for an hour. I have a pie crust shield that I first put on for like the first 45 minutes, and then I'll take it off and let the rest cook. Just like that. Set your timer for an hour. And I will be back to show you the pie. Today I'm going to be making my vanilla extract in a video, so I'll be back. Okay, I just checked the pecan pie, and I'm going to put a little foil over the top, and because it's cooking a little bit fast. My oven sometimes does this, so I'm just gonna put a little foil over it, and then probably in about 15 minutes I'll take it off and take off the crust ring and let it just cook for the rest of the 10 minutes, and then I'll be back. Okay, I'm gonna take the foil and the pie ring off. Okay, we got about 10 more minutes. I'm just gonna watch it so the crust doesn't get too brown. And I'll be back with the picture. Okay, there's our pecan pie. I just put it on a cake rack. Let it completely cool before you put it in the refrigerator. And tonight I am doing the meatloaf and the potatoes and the corn. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, share, like, and I'll see you later today. Bye.